Okay. So in the last class, we have discussed 7.3, question 1 and 2. Now we'll start from question number 3. Just we'll see the hints of these questions. Blue one. So question number 3, two sides AB, BC and median AM. So we have two triangles. Let me draw ABC. Okay, and second one is okay. Now let me name them A, B, C and PQR. Okay, median AM of one triangle. So we have a median AM and second median given to us is PN. Can you tell me what is a median, all of you? What is a median? Given to us AM and PN are median. Can you please confirm what is a median? Bisector, Utkarsh, okay. Vaishnav, good. But it is only bisecting the line on which it is lying. So that means we can say BM is equal to MC and QN equal to NR. Yes, Anuranjan. Median of a triangle divides that side in two equal parts. Okay. So given to us two sides AB, BC and median AM are equal to PQ, QR and median. So given is AB is equal to PQ, first thing. Second thing given to us is BC is equal to QR. Tegveer Singh. At 8:06 they are coming. 6 people are there in waiting room. Okay. So AB equal to PQ, this AC is equal to PR, and third thing is this AM. AM is equal to PN. Now we have to prove okay. First part to prove triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. Triangle ABM, this smaller triangle, this one, is congruent to triangle PQN, this one, which is very easy. And second part is ABC, triangle ABC, congruent to triangle PQR. So first of all, let's see for the first part. All of you, please write the points that can prove triangle ABM congruent to PQN. Okay, Vaishnav saying very good. We can see AB is given to us. First you write in triangle ABM and triangle PQN. We can observe AB is equal to PQ given. Second thing, AC is not required by us. AM is equal to PN. It is also given to us. And third thing, all of you, third thing is BM and QN. Why? Because BC equal to QR, we can say BM is equal to QN because BC is equal to QR implies half of BC is equal to half of QR. Therefore, we have got BM is equal to QN. Is this point clear to you? From where I've got this reason? All of you, please confirm how we have got BM equal to QN. Actually, I should have done it before only, as we used to do for normal operations. But this time I forgot. That's why I had to do it in the reason. Okay, so we know that BC complete equal to QR and AM and PN are medians. That means we can say that this portion BM and MC are equal, QN and NR are equal. Okay, so we can say triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN by triple S criteria. Now we want to prove triangle ABC and PQR, that is bigger triangle ABC and bigger triangle PQR. So angle B equal to angle Q. Okay, just no saying AB equal to PQ, AC equal to PR, and third thing angle B equal to angle Q. Okay, so we had AB equal to PQ, first thing, AC equal to PR, but the third thing we don't have. For that we have to understand that we can use something from these two triangles. Yes, and that is angle B equal to angle Q by CPCT. So angle B is equal to angle Q by CPCT, and now we can try in the triangles given to us. Second part, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, first thing is AB is equal to PQ. Second thing is Yuvika is saying BC equal to QR. BC equal to QR. Okay. Actually, BC equal to QR is not given to us. I think mistakenly I have said that. Question is saying two sides AB, BC and median is equal to that. Show that triangle ABM is congruent to this one. Okay. Okay. Some problem is there. We cannot take BC equal to QR. We have to take the angle only. AB equal to PQ, and second is AC equal to PR, and third is angle B is equal to angle Q. So by side, angle, side, triangle A, Piyush, but in first part you have taken. Let me see. Yes, in the first part also we should not have taken this BC equal to this one. Class, please see, in the first part we had, let me do that again. 1 second. Let me take the first part again. 1 second. Okay, now see again. Sir, it is given two sides AB, BC and median. Oh, I have written wrong. Actually given was, this was only given to us. BC equal to QR was given. I have written the given part wrong. 1 second. I'm again repeating the question. 1 second. Just 1 second. My mistake, sorry. Now, again I'm repeating the question. Two sides AB and BC. AB and BC. The lower one. And median AM. That is third thing. Median AM is equal to side PQ, PQ, QR, and third is median PN. Now it is correct. In the last case, I have taken mistakenly AC equal to Q, this PR. That was wrong. 1 second. Let me rub this also. 1 second. This equal, no, not there. You only have a line. This is not there. Okay, now before starting, we have to look in triangle ABM and PQN. but we can say as BC is equal to QR implies BM plus MC is equal to QN plus NR. Now we know they both are equal. We can write BM plus BM is equal to Qn plus Qn because Bm is equal to Mc and Q1 equal to Nr. Now we have got twice Bm is equal to twice Qn, that gives Bm is equal to Qn. Now we have three required things for the first part. So in triangle ABM and triangle PQN, first thing is AB is equal to PQ, that is these two sides are given equal. Second thing given to us is AM is equal to PN, these things are given. And third thing that we have found from our side is BM is equal to QN. This we have proved above. So triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN by triple S criteria. Sorry for the mistake that I've taken in the first given part. I hope it is clear now. And now you can take angle B equal to angle Q as CPCT because B and Q are coming at the same place. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle Q by CPCT. Now, second part is very easy for us because we have got the key for second part. But if do is now in triangle, space is less, so I'm writing this. So for second part, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, what we can say is, yes Rudra, correct. We can say AB is equal to PQ, comma, B this second one is angle B is equal to angle Q, this we have proved above, and third is BC side is equal to QR. So we have got this side, angle and side. So by SAS criteria, we have proved that triangle this is congruent to triangle this. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now, any issue in this question, class? Now I hope it is clear. Good. Question number 4. For your information, 7.4 exercise that is based on inequalities in a triangle, which is being deleted by CBSE for this term because of this COVID situation. I have made the lecture for that so that you can see from there. Okay, don't skip it. All of you today, when you get time, please watch those two parts to understand the inequalities. Now, question number 4. BE and CF, sir, I've taken BM equal to QN. BM equal to QN. In first part or second part? Because in second part it is not relevant. In first part it is relevant. Question number 4. BE and CF are altitudes. In second part it is not required, beta. Triangle ABC, BM is not coming. BM is a part of that only. Okay. So BE and CF are equal altitudes of a triangle ABC. Let me draw a triangle. Okay. So A, B, C, BE and CF are equal altitude. So BE like this and CF like this are equal altitude. So given BE equal to CF, apart from that, if it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, and this is 4, we know angle 1 equal to angle 2 equal to angle 3 equal to angle 4, 90 degree. Now, using RHS congruence, prove that triangle ABC is isosceles. To prove triangle ABC isosceles, That means indirectly we have to prove AB equal to AC. So we have to consider two triangles in which AB and AC are coming. All of you please tell me which two triangles you will assume to prove AB equal to AC. Yes, Moksh saying ABE and BCE. What? BCF must be you are saying, na? But in that case, Moksh, it will be proved by AAS, not by RHS. For RHS, you have to take the lower triangles only. Moksh, you are not wrong completely, but we have to prove by RHS only. For that, we have to take the lower triangles. Let me draw it again for you. This lower triangle, that is triangle FBC, and other lower triangle, that is BEC. So given to us angle F, that is 1, angle 3 given to us. Apart from this, I think these are equal. Now let's start. In triangle BFC and triangle BEC, we can observe first thing is this altitudes are equal, which is given to us. Therefore, we can say CF is equal to BE given to us. Sir, we can take upper triangle, Piyush saying, because angle 4 is 90 degree. But I will show you why upper triangle will not work in this case. I will show you, okay? We will see. So in the lower triangle, we have found the first thing, CF equal to BE. Second thing we know is angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Both are 90 degree. All of you, third thing, please tell third thing. BC equal to BC because common. Now if you observe, we have got one side, one right angle, and opposite to right angle is the hypotenuse. So we have got the criteria known as RHS. So by RHS criteria, triangle BFC is congruent to triangle. Let me see how to name it. BC is coming equal to BC. So BC is first and third. We can have either name as this or this. These are two possibilities. Now what is remaining? E is remaining. We have to check which name is correct. For that, CF equal to BE. CF is first, so sorry, second and third, and BE is second and third over here. So correct name is CEB. So we have got these two triangles congruent, and we can say angle B, that is first position, angle C, that is first position, are equal. So by CPCT, we can say angle B equal to angle C. And as angles are equal, therefore sides opposite to these angles, which are AC and AB, are also equal. AC equal to AB because sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. So we can say triangles are congruent. Sorry, triangle is isosceles. I hope all of you are understanding this process. Why I have taken lower triangles? The condition was we have to prove only using RHS. Now I will show you why the upper triangle was not helpful in this question. We can prove triangle isosceles using upper triangle also, but that case it won't be RHS criteria. Piyush, let me tell you why. See, the first triangle if you take will be this one, A, E. Let me draw it with a red pen so it will be easy for you to understand. 1 second. Just 1 second. Okay. Red pen. Suppose mistakenly you took the upper triangle. What would happen in that case? You have triangle AEB. This angle is right angle 4. This BE is there. Then you have triangle, this one also, which is A, B, sorry, A, F, C. Now see, angles, this one is 2. So you know BE equal to CF, first thing given. You know angle 4 equal to angle 2, which is also given to you. And third thing you found is angle A equal to angle A common. But now the criteria coming is angle side. Piyush, Ayush, you can see now the criteria coming is angle side, because angle is coming, side is coming. Triangles are congruent, AB equal to AC by CPCT, but the condition was to prove using RHS, which was only possible if you had taken the lower triangles. I hope it is clear now why we have not taken the upper triangles. Okay, sir. Now, question number 5. Yes, sir. Now, question 5. Last question, doubt of Abin. ABC is an isosceles triangle. So, given to us a triangle ABC, which is isosceles. Let me name it. A, B, C is an isosceles triangle. So, given to us AB equal to AC. First thing. Now, draw AP perpendicular to BC. We have to draw perpendicular from this side A like this. This is a perpendicular. Let me call it 1. Let me call it 2. Whichever angle is divided in two parts, it is better if we name it. Okay. Angle B and angle C are independent, so not required to name them. If you name them, it is good. If you don't name them, also it is okay. Now, we have to show that angle B equal to angle C. To prove angle B equal to angle C, and 1 equal to 2 equal to 90 degree. Now all of you must be saying that, sir, it is a isosceles triangle. We can say angle opposite to AB and AC are also equal, but we cannot use that. We have to prove it using congruency. First of all, angle B and angle C are coming in which triangles? Can you please help me? Angle B and C are coming in which triangle? No, Ayush, not in ABC. They have to be in different triangles. If you want to prove them by congruency, yes, Bhavya, ABP and ACP. So the proof part is very simple. In triangle ABP and triangle ACP, we can say first thing we know is AB is equal to AC given to us. Second thing we know is angle 1 is equal to angle 2, both 90 degree, also given to us. The third thing is Rudra, correct? AP equal to AP, common. Now, if you observe, you have got a right angle, a hypotenuse and a side. So by the criteria of right angle, hypotenuse and side, we have proved triangles congruent. So triangle ABP, all of you, this is the last question for this chapter. So let's name it together. ABP is congruent to, I will see AB and AC are coming together. So AB is first and second, AC should be first and second, or CA. The third name left is which one? P. Okay. Now we have to check which one is correct. ACP is correct or CAP is correct. Let's see. The second one is AP equal to AP. AP is first and third. In this case, AP is first and third. In this case, it is not. So it is wrong. This is the correct name. So triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. And we can say angle B, which is second position here, angle C, second position here, both are coming at the same place. Therefore, angle B equal to angle C, because corresponding parts of congruent triangles. With this chapter is over from my side. Last exercise, that is inequalities of a triangle, I have discussed in yesterday's video that I have made for you. You can find it very easily in my channel. Just go to that playlist class 9 NCRT. There I have put it. You all can watch it today and understand the topic inequalities in a triangle. It is very easy. Now let me make myself host. So there are two more exercises, but the last one also I will try to upload that way only, because it is optional, which is not from point of view of examination. I will be uploading that exercise for you. If you are interested to learn, you can watch those in my lectures. Okay. I will not discuss in class here in Zoom class. I will just upload over there and you can watch from there. One second. Meeting setting. So we have to do that exercise in register. I suggest you to do 7.4 at least. I suggest at least 7.4 you should do in your register, because 7.4 Suzanne, Ishan, Vaishnav are in waiting room. One second, let me make myself first close the recording.